A documentary by Taiwo from Nigeria. The tranquil depths of the forest. The panda, with its distinctive black and white coat, navigates its habitat with remarkable grace and resilience. Its adaptation to this environment is a testament to nature's ingenuity, finely tuned over generations to ensure survival. At birth, panda cubs are incredibly vulnerable, weighing only a few ounces and entirely dependent on their mothers for nourishment and protection. Yet, through the nurturing care of their mothers and the seclusion of the forest, they gradually grow stronger, equipped to face the challenges of their surroundings. Feeding is a crucial aspect of a panda's life, primarily centered around bamboo, which forms the bulk of its diet. With specialized adaptations such as a pseudo-thumb formed from an elongation of the wrist bone, pandas can efficiently grasp bamboo stalks and strip away the tough outer layers to access the nutrient-rich interior. Even in the depths of winter, when the forest is blanketed in snow, pandas exhibit playful behavior, frolicking in the icy landscape with boundless energy. This snow play not only serves as a form of exercise but also helps to stimulate their senses and maintain their mental agility. In addition to snow play, pandas engage in various activities within the forest, from climbing trees to foraging for food. Their agile movements and keen senses enable them to navigate dense vegetation and rugged terrain with ease, utilizing their strong limbs and sharp claws to their advantage. Walking and running are essential skills for pandas, allowing them to traverse their territory in search of food, mates, and shelter. Despite their lumbering appearance, pandas can move swiftly when needed, employing a rolling gait that conserves energy while covering considerable distances. The digestive system of pandas is uniquely adapted to process large quantities of bamboo, which is notoriously low in nutrients. And difficult to digest. Through a combination of specialized enzymes and microbial fermentation in their gut, pandas extract the maximum nutritional value from bamboo, sustaining their energy needs. Respiration in pandas follows the mammalian pattern, with air entering their lungs through the respiratory tract, where oxygen is exchanged for carbon dioxide. This efficient process ensures a constant supply of oxygen to vital organs, enabling pandas to thrive in their forest habitat. The skeletal system of pandas provides both support and mobility, with robust bones and flexible joints allowing for agile movements in the dense forest environment. Their skull features strong jaw muscles and sharp teeth, ideal for chewing tough bamboo stalks and crushing vegetation. The circulatory system of pandas ensures the efficient transport of oxygen and nutrients throughout their bodies, facilitated by a network of blood vessels and a powerful heart. This ensures that vital organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally, enabling pandas to thrive in their forest home. Remember to subscribe to more of Taiwo Falana videos. Thanks for stopping by.